Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook email address. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now tap on Personal Information. Then go to Contact Info. To change your email address, first you have to add an email. To do so, tap on Add Email Address. Now enter your email address and tap on Add Email. And then you have to verify your email account. Since I have already added an email address, here you can see this is my primary email. And this one is my secondary email. Now tap on Make Primary to change your email address. And your email address will be changed. And that's how you can change your email address on the Facebook app. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.